Today topic 26 April. April 26 is this day all the famous people who are born. April 26, 32 Aries. He was the Roman emperor. 1442 Edward V, King of England. 1712 Birth of France philosopher Jean Jacques Rousseau. 1758 James Morrison became with the fifth president of the United States. April 26, 1774 Christiano Leopold von Bach, German geologist and paleontologist. 1785 John James Adobana or Adibena Jean Jacques, the France-American Virginia naturalist, hunter and painter. 1795 Charles Strout, Australian inventor. 1908 Eugène Delacroix, France painter. April 26, 1838 Tobias Ashir, Nobel Prize winning Dutch lawyer and scholar. 1869 De Francis Mary Hawkins, a New Zealand painter. 1879 Ewen William Richardson, British physicist. 1884 Ayat Ali Khan, the renowned musician of the subcontinent, sitar and sarsbahar player. April 26, 1889 Ludwig Wittgenstein, Australian philosopher. 1889 Antonio de Oliveira Salazar, Portuguese economist, politician and 100th Prime Minister. 1895 Khawaja Habibullah, the fifth and last Nawab of Dhaka. 1897 Nithon Basu, Bengali film director. April 26, 900 in Henry's Art, a Dutch astronomer. 1906 Kurt Gödel, an American logician and mathematician. 1908 John Jack Henry Webb Fingleton, Australian cricketer, journalist and commentator. 1924 Narayan Sanyal, Bengali writer. April 26, 1930 Alf Valentina, the famous West Indian cricketer. 1933 Carol Burnett, American actor, comedian, singer and writer. 1937 Saddam Hussein, former president of Iraq. 1941 Carl Berry, Surplus, Nobel Prize winning American chemist. April 26, 1947 Humayun Azad, linguist, poet, novelist, critic, juvenile, literary and politician, commentator. 1949 Jagat Jayati Das, Bengali freedom fighter with the title of Bir Bikram. 1970 Walter Genza, farmer, Italian footballer and manager. 1961 Joan Chen, American actor, director, producer and screenwriter of Chinese descent. April 26, 1963 Jet Li, Chinese, Singaporean martial artist, actor and producer. 1968 Andy Flower, farmer, English cricketer and coach of South African descent. 1970 Melania Trump, Slovenia, American businessman Donald Trump, with of the 45 president elector. 1974 Penelope Cruz, Sanjit, Spanish actor and producer. April 26, 1982 Koel Mollik, an Indian Bangla actor. 1988 Jonah Manuel Mata Garcia, Spanish footballer. 1999 Laura Volter, South African cricketer. April 26 is this day all that celebrity has died. April 26, 1714, the first Bajirao, he was the Indian general. 1813, Mikhail Kutuzov, Russian field marshal. 1853, Ludwig Tieck, German writer and poet. 1920, Srinivas Ramanujam, Indian mathematician. April 26, 1932, Bill Lockdown, English cricketer. 1936, King founder Eye of APZ. 1945, Benito Mussolini became Italy's commander-in-chief during World War II. 1951, Arnold Sommerfeld, German physicist and educator. April 26, 1954, Leon Johannes, Nobel Prize winning France Union leader. 1957, Jichin Funakoshi, Japanese martial artist and founder of Shotokan Karate. 1917, Ed Biloji, American actor. 1978, Muhammad Dahan Khan, Afghan commander, politician, first president. April 26, 1986, Brad Erica Crawford, the American actor. 1989, Lucille Ball, American actor, comedian, model, film, audio executive and producer. 1999, Alf Reshmi, England footballer, player and manager. 1999, Arthur Leonard Shaw, Nobel Prize winning American physicist. April 26, 2003, An Hyun Sok, South Korean social worker. 2005, Maria Schell, Austrian Swiss actor. 2012, Matilda Camus, Spanish poet. 2017, Jonathan Demme, American filmmaker, producer and screenwriter. April 26 is this day all the special events happened. April 26, 1526, Jahir-ud-Din Muhammad Babur, founder of the Mughal Empire, ascended the throne. 1555, Congress is formed in the German city of Augsburg. 1701, John Mercy of Britain meets the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. 1770, Captain Cook entered New South Wales. April 26, 1789, sailors revolt on the British ship Auntie led by Fletcher Cristiano. 1915, Britain, France and Russia in London Secret Agreement, Secretary of London, Italia, Brenner Pass until Trentino, Trello, Istria, Dalmatia, Decunius aggregate to East. 1990, Language of Nation established. 1920, Azerbaijan joined the Soviet Union. April 26, 1920, Poland and Russian declared war. 1920, Azerbaijan joins the Soviet Union. 1952, Japan regains sovereignty and democracy. Japan is established. 1965, US government launched military offensive in the Dominican Republic. Cities as public interest. April 26, 1969, Douglas funds resigns as President of France. 1972, Liberia recognizes Bangladesh as an independent country. 1992, the first agreement between Bangladesh and Myanmar on the return of Rohingya refugees in signed. 1992, New Yugoslavia declared Serbia and Montenegro. April 26, 1992, Afghan fighters win a 30 years war with the former Soviet Union. 1995, Bangladesh government bans Hauman Azad book Nari. 2001, Dennis Tito becomes the world first astronaut. 2004, a US research firm discovered a copy of the SARS virus. April 26 holidays. World Intellectual Property Day 7. Thank you watching all video. Seeing my video. Please subscribe and click the bell button to get new video right away. Like and comment and share with your friend. Thank you. Bye bye.